Here everyone, in this video I will explain how to hype a video on YouTube, as well as why hype features might not be available and how to turn it on for your channel. So by the end of this video, you will know everything about hyping your videos step by step. So let's get started. First, let's clarify what hype is. The hype button is a feature where viewers can show extra support for a video by giving high points. High points give a boost to your video. They can increase visibility on YouTube. Think of it as a way for viewers to say this video deserves attention. So, where you can find this hype button. So the hype buttons appear below the video, near like, share, and things. Sometimes in the comments section. Just swipe it to the right. Each viewer has a limited number of types, so they can choose carefully. So there are a few common reasons why you might not see the hype button. The feature isn't released in your region yet. Some countries get it first while others must wait. Or your channel isn't eligible. YouTube requires channel to meet eligibility criteria, like subscriber, watch time, or account is standing. The video is older than a certain time window. YouTube only allows hype for newly uploaded videos. Specifically, a video can receive hype for up to 7 days after publishing. This is completely normal and doesn't mean your video is performing poorly. Alright? So if you want to turn it on your channel, this is what you need to do. Go to your YouTube studio, click Settings, go to Channel, and go to Advanced Feature, and look for hype or high points, and turn it on if available. So once enabled, your viewers will see the hype button on newly uploaded videos. So that's it. Now you know. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.